Welcome back to a brand new video on this channel. So previously I made few videos regarding Android customization, but this time it's all about Windows. So in this video I'm going to give you a tutorial on how you can customize your Windows and achieve this minimal layout on your home screen. So if this video interests you, then be sure to drop a like, subscribe to this channel, and without any further video, let's get started. So starting with the tutorial, first things first,